Tiga.
Okay, hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome to our English course page 4 and this at this page you can uh, present uh, with PowerPoint and you maybe you will give uh, give us about 3D model so you can tell your free topic the topic that you have chose. So we will start from Reza. Okay, are you ready, Reza?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, let's start. Assalamualaikum
Okay.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting all of us. Here I will explain about agriculture technology entitled The New Order. It's time for you to wake up. Okay, first introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Reza Rizky Rahman. Born in Bandung 1 December 2003. I live in Jatinangor, Puri Indah Kompleks, Jalan Sayang, Cikeruh. Male, gender, and Islam religion. I come from Pajajaran University, Faculty of Agriculture, majoring in agrotechnopreneur, and then I will explain about SWOT myself. Okay, first about strength, I am a ambitious and tireless person to achieve a desire that I want to achieve. And to weakness, when I am focused one thing, I am used to ignoring other focus. I often lose track of time, such as bedtime, mealtime. And three, opportunity. I get positive support from family and friends to develop myself for the better. And last, about treat, I have to be careful in making decision and action. Don't let it be like the saying, life don't want to die, do want to. Okay, next, I will introduce agriculture technology that is very useful for farmer in maintaining maintaining crops, growing crops, harvesting crops, developing irrigation system and other. And first about greenhouse. Greenhouse is a building that is formed to avoid and treat the plant against various kind of weather. Type of plant that are not in accordance with the local climate, such as ornamental plant, vegetable and fruit that have high economic value but are difficult to cultivate in outdoor area can be cultivated through climate control in the greenhouse. By the way, is picture about greenhouse tree banana. Next, about hydroponic. Hydroponic is a cultivation system by planting or utilizing water without using soil by prioritizing the fulfillment of plant nutritional need. The need for hydroponic water is less than the water requirement for cultivation using soil. Next, about irrigation. Irrigation is a agriculture process that apply control amount of water to the soil to aid crop production, as well as growing landscape and land growth, where it might be known as watering. Agriculture that does not use irrigation but only by direct rainfall is called rainfall. Irrigation has been a major feature of agriculture for more than 5,000 years and has been developed independently by many cultures around the world. Is Victor about irrigation or flooding? Okay, next about IoT or Internet of Things. What is IoT and how does it benefit farmer? By using IoT, farmer can find out in real time the position of their equipment. With this data, they analyze and determine exactly where the production operation area is efficiently. This will have an impact on their agriculture output. Is picture about wireless technology concept. Okay, next. By the way, we are currently in a virtual world or metaverse. And in metaverse, we can interact in real. We can display 3D 16 animation object, video, music, or live streaming in this room. Metaverse is very interesting because it can display objects from the real world into this virtual world. I will display animasi 3D object about banana 3D. Okay, it's appear. Wait, in a minute I can display. Hmm, okay, it's appear. We can see everything from above, below, left, right, and we can also rotate the object. You can see. Okay, I think enough from me. Thank you everyone. Thank you for listening to me. I return to MC.
Okay, thank you, Reza. But Amy, the 3D animation still do. If we say add you guys, or you you can see the 3D animation.
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe Rizky and Rasmi, yeah, maybe Rizky and Rasmi have any questions for Reza.
All right. Reza, can you make it bigger? Can you make it bigger? Can you make this thing bigger? All right. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, well, do you upload this or you found this at Sketchfab?
I found a sketchfab.
Oh, okay. So this was found in Sketchfab, and I guess it's not really detailed. But I mean, isn't batangan banana is colored green, right? But
Yes,
it's
right.
colored brown. I guess it's not quite accurate though.
Eh, wait in a minute. My record is error. Wait.
Oh.